Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will be filming for you another get ready with me, and this is also a Desi look, so I hope that you enjoy this. Stay tuned guys.
And I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
So this look will be a smoky eye. So I'm just going to go in with my Anastasia brow base and complete the eyebrows. And I'm literally just taking my pencil and just doing strokes, keeping it quite soft towards the front, and then in the direction the hair is growing, I'm just going in and doing more strokes. And this just gives you a very soft feel to the eyes. Then I'm going to go in with my Tarte concealer and just apply this. So I'm going to go in with a flat brush and just apply the Tarte concealer to shape my eyebrow, and then I'll bring this down onto my base of my eyes. So just literally put it all over your eyelids, and this just works as the perfect primer for your eyes. And then you go in with your beauty blender and then you just blend that out. And then you go in and you set that with your translucent powder. So today the translucent powder that I'll be using, the Kat Von D translucent powder, and I'm just going to pat this on all over my eyes, and this basically just gives you the perfect base to start your eye makeup on. So I'm going to go in with the Huda Beauty eyeliner, and I'm literally just going to apply the black liner to the base of my eyes, and I'm going to use this as a cream to help the pigment sort of stick to the eye. And then I'm just going in with a blending brush and just pushing this product and sort of blending out the edges so the edges are not harsh. The good thing about this eyeliner is that it blends really well. And now don't be worried, I know this looks a bit scary. Once it all comes together, it will look really nice. And then I'm going to go in with my actual eyeshadow, and the palette that I'll be using today will be the Morphe palette. So I'm going to go in with the black on the palette and just apply this on top of this product. And then I'm slightly taking it back a bit more and just blending it out. So I've lifted it quite back in. Now I'm going to go in with a clean blending brush and take a brown shade, and then I'm going to start smoking the outer part of the eye. Just keep blending and take it back. It looks quite heavy at the moment, but once the whole look comes together, it honestly looks so good. So I'm kind of taking whatever's remaining on my brush and sort of bringing it out, bringing the product out, but then bringing it back in again. So it just gives you a really nice soft finish to the edge of the eyes. So I'm going to go away and do the eyes and I'll be back. So I have just gone and done both the eyes exactly in the same way. I need to do the underneath of the eye, so I thought I'd show you how I would do that. I'm going in again with the black oil and applying this to my waterline. So I've gone in with a pointed brush and I'm literally just blending out the oil underneath my eye, and the excess I'm taking it towards the inner part of the eye and bringing it out. Now that I've blended that in, and I do look a bit crazy, I'm going to just go in with another tapered brush, but this one's a clean one, and I'm going to take the same brown that I did to blend the top part of my eyes, and I'm just going to apply that to the bottom. To make sure there's no product, and then you just want to blend this in under your eyes so everything just looks seamless, and then just take it up and then bring it back in. So blend, and then you want to take the product back up again. So it just merges quite nicely together. I'm going to go in and put my eyelashes on and then go onto my base. So my eyelashes are on and I'm going to go in by doing my base, and today I'm going to prep my skin like always with my Elizabeth Arden. I don't think I've found like a better replacement yet, so I always use this as a base moisturizer. And yep, I lather it on, literally. And I'm just applying this everywhere and literally pushing it into my skin and then take it down your neck. I'm just going to go in with my Too Faced lip injection. This really hydrates my lips. It slightly gives it a plumping effect also, so I like to do this as a base ritual. Then I'm going to go in with my Farsighted drops and just apply a couple of this on either side and literally just blend this in. And then I'm going to go with my Inkjet eye cream, and this helps brighten the under eyes. So I'm just going to apply this with the applicator. Just once again push the product into your skin. And then I'm going to go in with my All Nighter setting spray and just leave that for a little while on your skin without going in with your makeup, and it honestly just helps. I say it revitalizes your skin so that your makeup then sits on so much nicer. It like clings on, which is amazing, which is what you want when you're applying your foundation. I'm gonna then go in and color correct. So I'll be using the Live Tinted Hue Sticks in Orangin and just underneath my eye right there, and a slight amount there, and just blend this out. I'm just gonna use my finger to do this. It's a really blendable product. And I'm gonna go in with the Fenty Starstruck and just apply this to my cheekbones and then blend that in. And this will sort of give like an undertone highlight to my base. The foundation that I will be using today is the Dior 4N. I'm loving this foundation right now. And I'm just going to go in with my Real Techniques foundation brush and just push this into my skin. Now just going in with my beauty blender and just pushing this into my skin. The concealer that I'll be using today is SX11 in Kevin Aquan, and this is a sensual skin enhancer, and honestly it's amazing. You can use this as a foundation also, and it's just got such amazing coverage. So if you're looking for something that's full coverage, especially if you've got really dark circles or scarring or pigmentation, this is amazing to use. So I'm literally just using my fingers to apply this, and I'm patting this in. So just going to get in with a foundation brush and just pushing this in further. I kind of just took the excess of what was on my brush down onto my lip, and I'm just going to take my beauty blender and blend this in. So I'm going to now just go in with my LA Girl contour, and this is in the shade Beautiful Bronze. I'm literally just doing a few strokes down the side and then to there, and then the tip of my nose, then underneath on the side, and that's my contour. And then I will go in with a brush and buff this into my skin. And then I go in with my beauty blender and just make sure it's all sort of pressed into my skin. Now I'm going to go in with my setting powder, and today I will be using the Kat Von D. I thought I'd show you how that looks also and how the finish is with that. So I'm just going to use my beauty blender just like that and press this in under my eye. My aim here is not to bake under my eyes. I just took too much on my sponge, which is why even though I tried to dab it off, it didn't go away. What I find with the Kat Von D powder is that it's so much more finer that it picks up a lot more product, and then just same thing, just push this into your skin and pick it all the way around where you sort of highlighted. Just under there on both sides. And I'm just going to go in with my Pixie Beauty Bronzer in shade Summertime, and then I'm going to apply this as a bronzer today on top of my contour. This will give you that glowy bronze feel to the skin. I will then go in with my blusher. I'm going to be using the NARS Orgasm, and I'm just going to apply this to both of my cheeks. And it's the same motion. I kind of like push and then pull it back. And then today I'm going to go in with Sparkling Dust, which is by Inglar, as a highlight. And this is super strong, so I'm literally just applying this with my finger. Do you see what I mean? And I literally took the bare minimum. And then I'm just going to push this in. It's so strong. Like, I took that much on my finger, and still look how much is left over. And then just blend it in. Just be careful with this one, because honestly, it can go wrong very easily. So now I'm going to go in and buff all of this product into my skin, and I'm going to be using NC40 powder, and I'm going to take my foundation brush and very gently just blend this all in. And that just gives you a softer finish with no harsh lines anywhere. I'm just going to use a tapered brush and just go in under my eyes and just make sure it's all blended. And then there was no product on this brush, guys, so I'm literally just using this to sort of just blend. I am going to go in with bronzer, and I'm just going to top it up with a different shade. So I'm just going to go in with Burnt Pepper. I'm just going to put this on top. Using one of my precision brushes, I'm just taking a little bit of the highlight and just applying this to my tear ducts and just spreading this around. Just the smallest amount, and this just really gives a glow to the inner eyes. And I'm just bringing the excess down, and then I'm going to go back in with that brush again and just make sure it's all blended. And now the final thing with the eyes is going in with mascara. So I'm just going to apply this to my lower lashes. And I'm just going to go in with a nude lip. So the colour that I'll be using to line my lip will be Sandalwood, if I'm not wrong. Rosewood. And then I'm going to go in with this colour. And it's number 77 by Sephora. And it's literally the perfect nude to go with your smoky eye. Hi guys, so I've got my daughter with me. She just woke up from her nap. And I'm just going to finish off the look really quickly. So I've gone in and just applied some gloss, and I'm going to go in with my dewy mist and set this in. And this just gives you that perfect glowy feel to the skin. Like always, my all-nighter. So I'm going to go in with Amrezy, take a small amount of that onto my beauty blender. And that's the lip, guys. So this is the finished look, and I really hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. If you've liked this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up or comment below, and do subscribe to my channel. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. Love you. Bye.